Now, as long as the air conditioner doesn't go out, it's going to be a pretty quiet week in the Weather Center this week. I'm telling you, we're entering a very stable pattern. It's going to be hot. It's going to be windy. High pressure is actually going to reach its maximum on Wednesday. That probably will be our hottest day, but the residual heat trucks on right into our 4th of July weekend. It starts to break down a little bit by next Monday. Here are the heat index values right now. So please don't fail AC. 96 out on the island. 108 is the feel in Brownsville. 106 Harlingen. 104 Weslaco. 108 McAllen. 113 out in Rio Grande City. Oh my goodness. 93, the official high temperature in Brownsville today. That's right at normal. 102, the record set back in 1980. Official high temperature for Harlingen, 94 degrees, right at normal. 106, the record, that was set in 2013. And for McAllen today, 96 degrees, actually one below normal. 104, the record, and that was set in 2013. Here are the other high temperatures. It was 98 out in Rio Grande City, 95 Edinburgh, 94 for Raymondville, 92 on the island today. Winds, of course, a wind advisory in effect until 6 o'clock this evening. Those winds have been gusting to between 35 and 40 miles per hour. Now, they're never fully going to calm down tonight, so I'll call it a steady wind, calming down to about 20 miles per hour overnight this evening, so low temperatures in the 80s. Now, we have some thunderstorms over the mountains of Mexico, and we could see a couple of drift over clouds, but no storms for us. It's going to be pretty quiet. Now, of course, we'll see some dust as well as the Saharan dust cloud moves in. High pressure zone builds up and parks itself literally about 250 miles southeast of Brownsville, where it sits and spins for a couple of days, pushing down on us, keeping the temperatures on the hot side. 92 right now in Brownsville, 93 Harlingen, 93 Weslaco, 95 in McAllen, and it's reporting 100 now out in Rio Grande City. Here is your day planner for tomorrow. Very simply, I'm going to raise the temperatures just a little bit. We should make it to about 97 lower valley, about 101 in the upper. Let's get you a tropical weather update. And this is sponsored by Pronto Insurance. We have to fly to the coast of South America. 10% chance this zone produces a tropical cyclone within the next 48 hours. South of the Baja of California, 60% chance this zone becomes a storm as well. Out on the island tomorrow, 95 degrees, lots of sunshine, couple of clouds, moderately gusty winds in the afternoon. 80 our low temperature lower valley, 81 in the upper valley, and then tomorrow 97 lower valley, 101 in the upper valley. Those winds will be gusting to about 40 miles per hour again tomorrow afternoon. Long range forecast looks like this. Well, it's a blend of windy and breezy. So if it's under 30 miles per hour, I'll call it breezy. On Wednesday, a 98 lower valley, 103 in the upper, but then the triple digit heat continues in the upper valley. And of course, for the 4th of July, well, the good news is the winds pick up a little bit, but it will be nice and sunny with just a few clouds. I'm watching Monday. Actually, I'm begging Monday to bring us a couple of drops and get a little cooler. Brenda's back with more news in just a moment.